In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Green Dot online in 2025. Whether you're new to credit cards or looking for a handy credit solution, applying for Green Dot's secured credit card online can be straightforward and hassle-free, and I'm here to walk you through every step. First things first, let's navigate over to Green Dot's official site by entering www.greendotcredit.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option that says Green Dot Secured Credit Card. This is a great choice for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit, as it gives you the chance to use your own deposit as your credit limit. Once you've chosen the secured credit card option, it's time to dive into the application process. Look for the Apply Now button. This is your gateway to getting started. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and other contact details. It's essential to ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date to avoid any hiccups in the process. Next up is the security deposit. This is an important step because the amount you choose to deposit will determine your credit limit. Think of it as the key to how much you can spend using your new card. Typically, the security deposit starts at $200, but you can opt for a higher amount if you wish to have a larger credit limit. Remember, this deposit isn't a fee. It's a security measure that keeps your credit card use within a safe limit. Once you've sorted out your deposit, you'll need to verify your identity. This is where you'll upload a photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Occasionally, you might also be asked to confirm your address, so be prepared to provide additional documentation if required. Now that you've completed these steps, you can go ahead and submit your application. After submitting, all that's left to do is wait. If your application gets the green light, you'll receive your card in the mail within a few business days, so keep an eye out. Finally, when your card arrives, you'll need to activate it. You can do this easily on the Green Dot Credit website or through their mobile app. Once activated, you're all set to use your card. Be sure to use it responsibly. Timely payments and careful management will help you build or improve your credit score over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to applying for a Green Dot credit card online. Thank you for watching and happy card holding!